1, 4, 5 triads. Triads are just 3 notes that you got to know all your scale relationship between numbers 3, 4, 7, 1. Those are half steps. Everything else is a whole step. So if we're looking at a D chord, 1, 5, 1, 3, and we look at the 4 chord, that's G, 1, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, and then A. So if we look at this D chord, we say, okay, I know I can play that 5, 1, 3 with my index. And what you get with that is all the, I'll call it a minor pent shape. Because that's 5, 1, 3, we get 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. On those same 3 strings, if we go back to the 4 chord, the G, well, there's a 1, 5, 1, 3, 5. What's available? A 4. So with a 1, we get the 4, 5. So that's super useful and helpful to say, okay, I want to just play with 3 strings. You know, the E string can get a little tinny, but the middle strings get warmer. So we got and that minor pentatonic shape is real because the relative minor to D is B. So all those minor pent, every minor pent lick in the key of B minor, you'll see your pinky is walking all over that D. Which means when we move into the house, we're going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1. So we can do one, 4, 5, 1. Now the same thing applies to the 1, 3, 5 shape that we're doing back here. 4, 5, 1. So you can get into a riff really quickly just by using the triads, you know, sequestered in a particular region of real estate. the other thing that's really fun to play with is finding the house for B minor. Because it's the relative minor to D, you can see we're all over the D major territory. 1, 3, 5. Well, in B minor, that's 5, flat 7, 1. So if we were doing a B minor, well, that same B minor stuff works equally well over D. And it's useful to change your thinking when you think, okay, I'm thinking D, I'm just going to think this shape, D, and add chord tones. But if we're in B minor and we're doing a, I'm going to think, here's my 1 in B minor. There's my 1 in B minor again. In D major, that's my 6. So I'm in D, I'm going to be thinking, there's my 1. In B minor, there's my 1. In D, there's my 1. In B minor, there's my 1. Chew on it.